Excellencies, distinguished delegates, colleagues, my name is Roselyne Onyango, and I speak on behalf of the Global Initiative for Economic, Social, and Cultural Rights and the Global Alliance for Tax Justice. The current framework for resolving cross-border tax disputes is fragmented, costly, and fundamentally skewed in favor of those with the most resources, who are the corporate actors and historically have been the developed countries. Mechanisms like bilateral arbitration and the mutual agreement procedure are often underutilized due to high cost and a severe lack of transparency in process and outcome. Colleagues, in relation to your questions under the scope of cross-border tax disputes, all the situations you outlined, from double taxation or non-taxation to transfer pricing disagreements, permanent establishment determination, conflicting treaty interpretations, and disputes without a shared legal basis, should be covered within this protocol. But more importantly, the protocol should prioritize preventing such disputes long before they escalate into costly procedures. The Framework Convention should focus on dispute prevention and should only touch on dispute resolution in situations whereby disputes arise from its interpretation. The most effective way to reduce disputes is not to manage them better, but to prevent them from arising. We urge a commitment to adopting unitary taxation with formulary apportionment, which inherently reduces disputes by simplifying the allocation of taxing rights and eliminating many conflicts arising from transfer pricing within the Framework Convention. Transparency is also one of the key ways to level the playing field, resolve information asymmetries, and stop disputes before they require lengthy, costly resolution procedures. However, transparency alone is not enough. It remains unclear what common legal ground this protocol is based on that addresses the objectives and commitments of the terms of reference for the Convention. The protocol risks embedding the current existing fragmented international tax system rather than being based on a solid foundation for a new system for the fair allocation of taxing rights. Tax disputes that result in lost revenue are not merely commercial setbacks. They are a direct attack on a state's fiscal space and its ability to realize economic, social, and environmental rights. Every unresolved case jeopardizes funding for essential public services like education, health, and social protection. In conclusion, let us not create a protocol that is merely an incremental improvement of existing failing systems. Let us create one that reflects our shared ambition for global tax justice, grounded in prevention, fairness, and the protection of human rights. Thank you.